In terms of camera hardware, the Vivo V11 comes with a dual rear camera setup. While the primary one is a 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture lens, the secondary one here for depth sensing a 5 megapixel camera with f2.4 aperture. Now here both are AI powered, so you also get the AI scene detection mode and the AI beautification as well. On the front facing camera here you get a 25 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture with AI scene detection. Now with a good setup of camera hardware, the camera UI present on the Vivo V11 offers a lot of features. Now the main attraction is the AI scene detection mode, which helps the camera to detect a subject and give it the auto color and improve the dynamic range as well. Now if we take a look at the portrait mode here, you also get the manual control over the blurring effect, what is called the wide aperture mode. Even after taking a photo, you can refocus the subject and give it the blur background effect as per your wish, which is a really good thing to have on the Vivo V11. Now with that you also get the HDR mode, which you can manually turn on and off, and also you get the live photo mode, which is also pretty useful. Now these are some of the features which you also found on the Honor devices, so I guess Vivo here giving a lot of options. Now if you take a look at here, you also get the AI beautification, which is the main attraction of Vivo devices. So you also get the skin whitening and a lot of features. Now also there you get the Panaroma mode, and there you also get the Pro mode to give you a better manual control over the camera hardware. Now also if you take a look at here, you get 1080p video recording for the rear facing camera. Sadly there is no EIS or OIS, but I hope Vivo implement the 4K video recording option in the OTA update. Hope so, but I don't think they will give it. But here you also get the AI stickers to play with while you're taking photo. Now also like the Animoji or Genimoji like the SS phones, you also get some of the sticker while you're sending WhatsApp messages. You can record your own Animoji or stickers. So for now there are only 4 stickers available. So these are some additional feature which helps the 25 megapixel front facing camera to track your face. There is no IR sensor or 3D face mapping here, but here you get also this feature as well in the camera UI. Now also there you get the Google Lens feature and some of the filters to use. Now asking for the front facing camera, here you get a 25 megapixel f2.0 aperture lens, and with that you also get the HDR mode, and with the portrait mode or the depth effect you also get some of the portrait lighting effect or the monochrome lighting effect which you get with the iPhones. Now here you also get the live photo mode for the front facing camera, and asking for the video recording, it is now capable of 1080p video recording, but sadly there is no electronic image stabilization or any type of stabilization present on this device. Now also there you get the AI beautification for the front facing camera, which is really good. Now there you get the AR stickers, the Group Selfie. So now let's take a look at some of the camera sample taken with the device, then we move into the video sample. Hope you liked this video, and if you find this video helpful then definitely place a like below. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome contents. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. As you can see guys, it focused very quickly and it seems faster than the OnePlus 6. I need to check that. And one thing to mention, I click a lot of flower photos because they are small object and it gives you a detailed idea how the edge detection on the camera and also the focusing and the blur background effect, how good is that. This video sample recorded at 100p from the rear facing camera of the Vivo V11, and there is no 4K support, and also you don't get the electronic image stabilization or any type of stabilization here, but the video sample looks crisp. And let me know in the comment section if you also like the video sample as well, but sadly there is no 4K resolution. Now this video sample recorded at 100p and this one in indoor lighting conditions, and as you know there is no electronic image stabilization as well, and this is how the rear facing camera perform in indoor lighting condition or artificial lighting. So let me know if you like the cameras on the Vivo V11 or not. Now this video sample recorded from the front facing camera present on the Vivo V11, which is a 25 megapixel camera here with Aperture aperture, but sadly there is only 100p video recording, but there is no electronic image stabilization here. And also the exposure control from the front facing camera is also bad here, but talking about photography, the photos comes out great, and also the portrait lighting effect present on the Vivo V11 looks pretty good. So this is how the front sample look like, and I need to say that the exposure is very bad on the video recording. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. But if you ask me about the camera samples or the photo samples, they looks pretty good, and for this pricing you're getting really good camera here. That if Vivo posts some OT update for the 4K video support from the rear facing camera and also the electronic image stabilization, it will definitely going better. And I know my hair is just mess, just ignore that. It's not about me, it's about the camera performance here on the Vivo V11. So that is how the front facing camera works in indoor lighting situation. And if you are interested in purchasing this device, I'm dropping all the links in the description box. Make sure to check out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.